guys, I'm the scratcher. So, as I told you, I'm going to show you the recipe of Vowel Finder. So, this is a cat sprite and no code, only a say block and when flag click block is here. Okay, and ABCD normally it's a backdrop. So, when flag click, say join and go to sensing, select the username block. Username, no, username will come here and hi and give a space. Okay, done. So when I click, just say join his username and hi. I will show you. See, hi. Okay, done. And now we will take the save block and enter. Today I am going to show you. Today I'm going to show you vowel finder. Okay, so this is done, and then we will go to sensing and ask, enter the number. Okay, done. It will say enter the number. Then we will go to control and select the if and for an if condition. Then go to operators and select if this and go to sensing and take the answer block. If answer contains A and then take or duplicate, duplicate. So we will duplicate it 4 times. Okay. Then we will duplicate this also 4 times. Okay. Okay. This block duplicate here and in the last one. This. Okay. Okay, one problem is there. Clear. Done. And so we will enter here A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, none. Then forever if answer contains A or E or I or O or U, then say it. Sorry, I have typed IIT. It contains vowel. Okay. So then we will attach here and now we will duplicate it and attach here. Then we will remove this one and in the operators and select the not block, and in the not block we will take this and then say no vowel. Okay, let's run our project. Sorry, I have written here enter the number. I want to say enter the WORD word. Enter the word. Now I will enter. Oh yeah. N N T N. Okay, A is a vowel. Then it contains vowel. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Next video on 1st of Jan. So targeted likes are 30. I hope that you can complete the likes. So bye bye.